572 Hemi. Just got done running it. Everything went great. Give you description of this combination. Got the Indy Block, Indy heads, Edelbrock manifold, obviously 2 4s, TFI, with the Holley throttle body, Terminator X. It's got a custom grind solid roller you do for it. True Trac front end, beautiful. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down to 3,500, 588 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 697. Peak horsepower 724. So we rated it at 700. It's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. So that's a Hemi for you. So we'll get her off there, gonna get in a crate. I think it's heading to Australia. Have a great day.